cuss and stop playing, bitch. Ain't nobody fucking with me, man. Y'all other boys need to retire to painting on the shoes and shit. It ain't.
So I got everything laid down. Cut it out. Both shoes. And now I'm just gonna paint it. Well, first I gotta tape up all the extra parts that I don't want to get paint on, and then let me find my paint. And then I'm gonna paint them. Don't want to focus. Neon, flaming orange. So yeah, I'm gonna use that. After I paint it, I'm gonna put my paint splatters, and then I'm gonna trace it all in black to make it all come together good. And make sure your tape is like tight around certain areas like this where it sticks up. Make sure it's all tight down good so the paint don't leak. Alright, so I got them both painted on, the paint laid down on both of them. Then I went ahead and painted the lace tips, or the lace locks, and then the lace tips. So now I'm gonna put the white paint splatter. And yeah, this is why my chair has paint on it. A lot of y'all asking when I go on live on Instagram. So yeah, that's why. They're done. Well, they're not done, but the white paint splatter is done. Good. So yeah, I'm gonna just wait, let these dry, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna outline all this in black to make it look better, and then I'm gonna spray the finisher on the shoes and the lace locks and the lace tips. Then I'm gonna lace them up. Alright y'all, so now I'm back. Put the paint splatters on and they dry. Now I'm gonna tape everything and then do my outline in black, and then I'm gonna just spray them, seal them up on my finisher. So yeah, I'll be back. My bad, y'all. My camera died, but I got a new battery in there, so I'm gonna finish up. I finished this one. I'm gonna finish up the other one right quick. so they all sealed up. Lace tip sealed up. And lace lock sealed up. So I'm about to just lace these up right quick. Alright y'all, so I'm back with both pair. Black LV. Got the orange. I went ahead and did 2 more orders. The orange pair. This is second pair. Went ahead and did 2 more, like I said. The Burberry and the black LV, they're the top sellers. I don't even think these are on the site, and I'm gonna put them up for y'all. Can do some different colors too. This is actually like a neon orange. This is the first neon pair I did. Hold on. See. You can't really tell. But yeah, that's a neon pair.